Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Friday, April 4th, 2014. A storm system lifting northeast out of Iowa this morning will be crossing the lower peninsula later today and will bring a mix of precipitation types to northern Michigan later this morning and into the afternoon hours with primarily snow, sleet across eastern upper Michigan, although some rain and freezing rain will be possible across far eastern portions of Chippewa County, while across northern lower Michigan we will see mainly liquid precipitation today, although areas where temperatures will be very close to freezing could see some freezing rain at least through the first part of the day. There's another system we could see early next week that could bring some light snow to parts of northeast lower Michigan Monday and Monday night. And given the new rainfall expected across northern lower Michigan today, there is the possibility we could see some minor flooding developing on some area rivers. Rivers have been running rather high recently due to the snow melt and some of the recent precipitation, and so we'll have to keep an eye on area rivers going into this weekend. But for today, it looks like, as I mentioned earlier, we'll be seeing a wintry mess of precipitation across the region. Precipitation with the system has been a little slower to develop than we had earlier anticipated, but we do expect things to really get going later this morning. Across upper Michigan, snow accumulations are expected, especially across western portions of Chippewa and Mackinac counties. We'll detail those in just a little bit. Although the exact areas of who's going to get what as far as precipitation type is still a little uncertain across eastern upper Michigan, as it's quite possible across the west to east expanse of Chippewa and Mackinac counties, we could see a wide variety of precipitation types ranging from snow over the far west to sleet, freezing rain, and rain as you get farther east towards Sault Ste. Marie and then over towards the Drummond Island region. Across northern lower Michigan, precipitation today will fall primarily as rain, but areas across some of the higher terrain locations and across the interior and over the tip of the mid counties, temperatures are very close to freezing this morning. So we could see a period of some icing this morning as some of this initial precipitation moves in, although temperatures are forecast to rise above freezing by early this afternoon, so all areas should see mostly rain or rain showers during the afternoon hours. Here's the current weather map. There's an area of low pressure located over eastern Iowa this morning that is lifting to the northeast and will eventually cross Lake Michigan and northeast lower Michigan later this afternoon before it moves into Ontario and Quebec tonight. There is quite a bit of precipitation to the north and to the southeast of this system. It's the precipitation on the north side that we'll be concerned with today, and it should be filling in later on this morning as the low continues to track to the northeast, and that will push precipitation across all of the lower peninsula and eastern upper Michigan later on today. If you look at the forecast weather map for today, we see an area of low pressure located over northern Illinois this morning that will eventually cross lower Michigan today. And as I mentioned, that will bring a variety of precipitation types to the region during today into this evening. And then the system moves off to the east on Saturday, and things should settle down as far as what weather goes for the weekend. Here's the latest accumulation forecast. This runs from today, basically from today through tonight. It will be the main accumulation potential across eastern upper Michigan, where you see some areas of western Mackinac and western Chippewa counties could see in excess of 6 inches of snowfall through tonight, and this will be a heavy, wet variety of snow, so things be a little hard to push around. This is the kind of snow that's a little bit more difficult to drive through, since it is a little bit more greasy. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Saturday morning.